Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Trading Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, looking back again at Virgin Galactic. After the announcement of the Richard Branson test flight, they've shot up almost 10 points in after hours. So we're going to take another look at this chart. Make sure you drop a like on this video, guys, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, so first here's a 30-day, 30-minute, and as you can see, it's quite a big pop. Now, we didn't get back up to where we were before, but it's only after hours. You never know, honestly, with after hours. Sometimes I ignore after hours when I'm charting completely. Sometimes it's going to get erased tomorrow. You never know. But I mean, for me, I'm looking at this as another opportunity to get some puts. I'll show you guys my account. I only have a couple left. I sold most of them at the end of the day on, what was this, Tuesday, when we had this nice big drop. They were pretty close to 100%, so I sold most of my puts and got out. I still have 2 left, and right now, let's see. Okay, so these 2 that I have left are for the 16th. They're 35 puts, and they're right around 66% profit. So but I mean, hey, they were cheap. They're the last 2 that I have. I was going to hold them for a little while and see if we get consolidation. They're probably not going to be worth a whole lot tomorrow, but that's fine. We can pick up some more if this chart stays up, because again, I don't think it really changes the math. They announced that he's going to be involved in the next test flight, and so boom, the stock jumps up. What, I guess that's about 20%, right? Let's see. Let's let the line do the math for us there. 27%. So quite a big move. And again, it's not because their products are doing well. It's not because they have new revenue streams coming out. It's not because they announced that they're going to be adding cup holders, and they're going to be able to sell food on these space launches or anything like that. So to me, this was kind of the first indicator. We didn't even get back to these peaks from before, and now again today on this news, we didn't get back to the peak that we just recently hit. So what do I see? I see news that's already priced in, right? I mean, that's why the stock was up in the first place, is that people are optimistic about these possible potential things that are leading to them finishing test flights and actually starting to sell tickets to real customers. So it doesn't change the timeline on that. This test flight was supposed to happen in January, I believe. So it's great that it's finally happening. It's only 6 months late in the world of technology, especially rocket technology. That's not bad at all, honestly. So it's good news, but that's what we were all already expecting. That's why we're $35-40, is because we're expecting this thing to work. So should it push the stock even higher now that what we're hoping and expecting to happen has come to fruition? And this is the media news type moment catalyst. But what's the meat of it? The meat of it is, okay, things are still heading in the right direction. The optimism is justified. At some point, theoretically, we're moving towards being able to sell a product to customers. So I really don't see it moving the needle as far as the core of the business's value. What is it worth? It's just a good sign. It's the sign on the map. Hey, you're still going in the right direction. Things are working according to plan. Someday this company will have a product that they can sell. So yeah, I don't think it should change the valuation, especially from where they were at. If they were down around 20, 25, 30, sure. Like, let's see that chart move. But from here to bounce back up like that, I don't really get it. So yeah, tomorrow I'll see what the open is like, and I'm gonna look to get some short dated and some longer dated puts on this thing, and make some more money. One last thing to consider is this is all happening, at least the past couple of, the past week or so of incredibly bullish momentum for this stock. If you discount it, I mean, all right. So they had the FAA approval, shoots up to 60, then a couple days later we're back down in 42, 44 range, and now we have the announcement of the test flight, shoots up to 55. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But this is all happening while the NASDAQ is pushing or near all-time highs, and the S&P is pushing or near all-time highs. So what happens when there's a little bit of a market pullback, not as much bullish sentiment or rotation away from the growth stocks? I don't think it's going to hold up. But anyway, I made my opinions known last week when we got the FAA approval, and I got a lot of disagreement. So who knows? I'd love to hear what you guys think. So please, if you liked the video, drop a like on it. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoy my content, subscribe, turn on notifications so you know when the next video comes out. And please, guys, comment below. Let me know what you think about Virgin Galactic. I know a lot of people are bullish on this, and I think I understand that. I like the company too. I think it'd be cool to take a rocket to space. I'm not shitting on the idea of their product. I think it's really, really cool, and I just think that the valuation right now is a little high for a pre-revenue company that is at least a year away from having a product, and they're going to need every single cent of the $600 million in cash that they have in order to get to that launch. So I just think they're a long ways away from where the stock price is at right now. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.